Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 9AT and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage, and one of these buttons here is the show grid lines option. So by just one tap we can turn them on, another tap to turn them off. As you can see, the yellow color suggests us that now the grid lines are turned on, and here in the preview we can see them. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. And of course remember that these lines are not visible at the read picture, so when I take a photo and when I go to the left button to go to the gallery, we can't see them at the read picture, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to go back to the right corner, then tap to show grid lines, and for now, as you can see, they have gone in the preview. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel and give the thumbs up.